So?
Bouncy Putty. It's
Don't
still
try this at home because it might not work.
I'm not sure if anything's going to happen to this.
Yeah.
It might just like melt. Let's just put that in there. Put it. Okay, Ozzy, how long do you think we should put it in for?
I don't really care.
How long do you think it would take?
About an hour.
What? Think of that. Let's put it in for 7:30. We're gonna wait the whole time for this one. I just stopped the last one early because my batteries were dying.
Wait, what's in that?
The Bouncy Putty. If this thing, like, totally gets everywhere in my microwave, I'm gonna be so mad.
What if it doesn't?
If it still works, I'll be so happy.
And what if it doesn't work?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the batteries.
You don't need the batteries.
Yes.
No, we're not doing batteries.
Why?
Because everybody knows the batteries explode. And it's no fun because everybody already knows that.
I want to see it explode. What else are we going to put in there?
I don't know. We'll find some stuff.
Let's put the dog in there.
Let's not and say we did.
Let's put a baby cat in there.
You're a freak.
Where's all the baby cats at?
In the garage.
Where's the garage?
That's where the cat had its babies. Oh my gosh, I'm bored.
You do.
There's still some Bouncy Putty left in here. Roar, monster.
It's starting to smoke.
Again? Are you serious? Why would this stuff smoke?
If you take your glasses off,
I can see the smoke. I don't know if you can.
I can't because these glasses are weird.
Yeah, they are.
Whose were they?
I have no idea.
You found them?
No, my brother found them in the garage.
Come on!
We should do water balloons.
Yes.
Yeah, that would, like, clean our microwave.
Yeah.
Water balloons.
I really want to spray paint. So.
No, you're not allowed.
Why?
You're too young to spray paint.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, you guys, he's 9. Do you think he's old enough or too young? Comment down there. Oh, you're not 9 yet, you're only 8. Okay, he's only 8. Okay, comment down there if you think he should be spray painting or not. Uh, 3.5 minutes left.
For what?
Until it's done microwaving.
Cause I spray painted once here.
But you shouldn't be doing it.
Come on.
Your face.
Okay, I'm not gonna look at it anymore.
I am.
It's just boring.
Watch while you're not looking. It just like totally explodes the whole microwave. Oh my gosh. 2.5 minutes left. This stuff better not be melted.
Check.
I'm gonna be so mad if
Check.
it is. No, I can't check.
I don't care. I'm about to go inside.
Why?
This is boring.
You're boring.
If it doesn't explode, I'm going inside.
This stuff's not gonna explode. I was hoping for like a fire. That'd be pretty awesome.
Yes.
Except I don't know why Bouncy Putty would catch on fire.
It was yummy.
I found out things from the Dollar Tree catch on fire really good. It's making noises.
Yeah.
What the frick is it doing?
Oh, dude, you should go check.
Dude! Put your glasses on. Dude.
Now I can see you smoke.
Yeah, you can see the smoke in the camera. Oh, did you see that? It's sparking. Why was it? What the
Oh,
heck?
dude, it's on fire!
Let's leave it in there. There's only a minute left. What the heck? Oh my gosh.
It smells like firework.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god. Dude, did you see that? It catching fire.
That was pretty sweet. I don't know
Yeah.
if I got it on the camera though. There's way too much smoke on this thing.
Let me see.
You cannot see through that smoke.
Oh, dude.
That was pretty awesome. I have no idea why it did that.
Now it's starting to smell bad.
Ugh. Okay, there's only 30 seconds left.
It smells gross. Did your mom know you would do this?
Yeah. She's watched me do it before.
Dude, what if it exploded? You're gonna be mad if it did.
Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Here. Where is it?
I don't know.
There's a stick.
It melted. Oh my gosh, we broke the plate. Oh my gosh. The plate is broken in half. You don't need a stick. I'm just gonna let this air out. Okay, we've let it air out for a little bit. Let's see. Oh, the plate's not even. Oh yeah, it is. Let's take this thing out.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, it's like totally broken in half. That's pretty crazy. From Bouncy Putty too. What the heck?
Now what are you gonna put it on in?
We'll put it in the microwave still. We don't need a plate. Dang. Can't believe that broke. Gosh. I'm gonna go cry.